bipolar, specifically manic and hypomania. Precognition is a sort of foreknowledge. Where jazz musician explores the dissonance in sound. It's out of key, but it's, technically it's in key, but in dissonance.
And what I find intriguing with music and art is there's a lot of relationship, because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory.
Alpha or the beta to the theta or the deep delta state. Primarily going to be more of an introduction to mental disorder, because one is the augmentation of one's ambition. So, and you have neuro-linguistic programming.
Sure.
NLP. Of the subsets: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Persuasion.